Hello there. Welcome to another video where I draw stuff. Today I'm going to be drawing Rosie from Animal Crossing, as shown here on the screen. Alright, so I don't really have much else to say, so I'm going to get going. Also, I've got a video on in the background, so if I'm a bit quiet, it's because of that. Just get a little round head going. Some teeth. Alright, some eyes. Gonna modify them so they're little Pac-Man eyes. We're getting along rather quickly this time. And some little... The thing is, with Animal Crossing characters, especially, well, just the cats really, if their ears stick out to the side like this, they look really odd for some reason. So it's better if you just do this, like they are in the game. I don't know why they look odd like that to me, but they just look strange. Maybe it's because that's not how they look in the game, but I don't know. Anyway. You know, I was pleased to hear that Rosie was pretty much like a main character in the Animal Crossing movie. Like, she's pretty much right at the front of like most of the promotional material, which is good to hear. Not like Pudge, who was like elected the 100 and something best villager in Animal Crossing. Alright, I should probably go for the little checked one in New Horizons, because it's modern. So I guess this is kind of like a jumper, like, combined with a dress? I don't know. Alright, let's get some arms. Might have to resize her arm a bit. Alright, there we are. Just get a little tail. Alright, here we are. I always decide to draw on the layer with the image on it, and I have to delete it again. Make it a good size. There she is. She's getting larger and more intimidating. That's how I describe Rosie. Alright. Let's just give her a little pink background, I think. And there we are. Oh. It's leaking into her eyes. Alright, well, I'm pretty much done here, so thank you for watching the video, and see you, goodbye.